Hey everyone! Today, let's talk about how foreigners can adopt a dog in Korea. If you're working or studying here long term and thinking, I really want to have a dog while living in Korea, you're not alone. But there are a few important steps you need to know as a foreigner. So in this video, I'll walk you through everything from shelter adoptions to breeders and pet shops, and finally how to register your dog all in just about 10 minutes. Adopting from an animal shelter. Let's start with the first option, adopting a rescue dog from an animal shelter. Korea has a lot of animal welfare centers, public shelters, and private rescue groups. You can even check available dogs online at animal.go.kr, which is Korea's official pet adoption website. One of the biggest advantages of adopting from a shelter is that you get to know everything about the dog's condition before adoption. The shelter staff already care for these dogs every day, so they can tell you about their temperament, energy level, health status, and vaccination record. For example, if you work long hours and can only walk your dog at night, they'll recommend one with a calmer personality that fits your lifestyle. Another great thing, it's ethical. Adopting a rescue dog means you're literally saving a life, and it's also much cheaper. Usually around 50,000 to 150,000 won. Plus, some local governments even offer adoption support funds up to 250,000 won. Yes, foreigners can adopt dogs in Korea, but you'll need a few documents. Alien registration card for your ID and address, passport copy as a supporting document, proof of residence, rental contract or dorm certificate, Korean phone number, sometimes a certificate of employment if they want to check long-term stability. If you're on a short-term visa like a tourist visa, you cannot adopt. You'll need a long-term visa like E7, D2, D4, F2, F5, or F6. Shelter adoption process. First, fill out an adoption application, online or in person. Second, they might check your living environment, sometimes through photos or a home visit. Third, verify your ID and sign a responsibility agreement. Fourth, pay the adoption fee. Fifth, take your new dog home. 6. And remember to register your dog within 30 days. Now the second option, adopting from a breeder or a pet shop. If you already have a specific breed in mind, you might search online for Poodle breeder Seoul or Cocker Spaniel breeder Gyeonggi. But here's the warning, not everyone who calls themselves a breeder is ethical. Some are actually puppy mills, where dogs are bred in poor conditions. That can lead to health or genetic problems later. And trust me, vet bills can get really expensive. So always make sure the breeder or shop is officially registered. You can check their animal sales license number, their business registration certificate, and they provide a written contract. Before visiting, ask these questions. Have they sold to foreigners before? Can they verify your alien registration card? Do they offer English consultation? Your ARC is your main ID. Your passport alone isn't enough for adoption contracts. Once you purchase your puppy, don't forget you must register your dog within 30 days. And here's a real-life tip. Even if the pet shop looks professional, sometimes dogs still come with hidden health issues. So I highly recommend getting pet insurance right away. It's much cheaper when your dog is young, and it can save you a lot if any health problems show up later. After you bring your dog home, you must register them within 30 days. It's not optional. It's required by law. If you don't, you could be fined up to 600,000 won. Pet registration helps you unite with your furry friend if they ever get lost and make your pet available to go abroad with you. Also, it's a key step to becoming a responsible pet owner. let's look at the different ways to register your pet in Korea and how to choose the best one for you. First, let's start with the traditional way. You can register your pet in person at an animal hospital or your local city hall, 구청. You'll need an alien registration card, proof of residence, an adoption contract or purchase papers, and vaccination records. The process is simple, but it does require you to visit in person. The fee usually ranges from 10,000 to 30,000 won, depending on your area. If you do it at a vet clinic, they'll insert a microchip. Next is the online registration system. Many local governments now let you register your pet directly through their official websites. You can log in and proceed with the registration procedure. Enter the pet's name, breed, gender, birth date, and attach vaccination documents or adoption papers. You should write your address when you fill in your own info, and it must match your pet's current residence. After submitting, you will get a confirmation email. Your pet's registration number will usually arrive within 1 to 2 weeks, so make sure to keep it safe. The third option is through a mobile app called The Pass, a private digital authentication service run jointly by Korea's major mobile carriers, which doesn't just verify your identity, it also provides mobile ID cards. And now, you can even get a mobile ID card for your pet through the app. You can register your dog through the app and check your application status and get reminders for vaccinations or health checkups. Super convenient in today's digital age. Whatever method you've used, after registering your pet, there is a thing to remember. Update your information if you move your place or change your phone number. Not doing so may lead to fines. Lastly, I want to recommend having a microchip inserted instead of just having a registration number. It's required by law for dogs to wear an ID tag with their registration number and name. But just in case your dog ever gets lost without their tag, it's better to have a microchip implanted. Why? Because even if the tag is missing, a vet can scan the microchip and immediately find your contact info. Also, if you plan to travel internationally with your pet, microchipping is essential. Quarantine procedures use the microchip to verify your pet's identity. So if you're not planning to live in Korea permanently and think you might return to your home country someday, a microchip is a safe and smarter choice than just relying on an external tag. Alright, let's sum it up. Adopting from shelters is ethical and affordable. Breeders and pet shops give you more breed options, but check their credibility. And after adoption, register your dog and get that microchip. Life with a dog in Korea can be amazing. Once you understand the process, it's totally doable even as a foreigner. So go ahead, welcome your new furry family member with love. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with other pet lovers in Korea. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.